Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sriram Devarajan. In this video I am going to discuss example 1.10 and example 1.11 from the chapter 1 Relations and Function for Tamil Nadu State Caste and Mathematics students. I already solved problem both example and exercise from exercise 1.1 to exercise 1.3. It is available in the playlist of my YouTube channel Sriram Devarajan. The example 1.10 states that using vertical line test, determine which of the following curve. 4 graphs are given: 1.18a, 1.18b, 1.18c, 1.18d. This is 1.18a, 1.18b, 1.18c, 1.18d. We have to check which graph represents a function. That's all. In the first graph, there is a curve and also vertical line. Here in the graph 1.18a, the line cuts the curve at 2 points. This is the 1 point, this is the second point. One condition or information for a curve cut at 1 point, then it is a function. But in the graph 1.18a, a line cut the curve at 2 points. Therefore, first one graph is not a function. One point 18a not a function. Why I am saying not a function? Vertical line cuts the curve at 2 points. I am going for the second graph 1.18b. Here one curve is given. See the curve. One line cuts the curve at only 1 point. Therefore, for 1.18b, it represents a function, because since vertical line meets or cuts the curve at 1 point. What about 1.18c? Here also a line. This is a line, but this is the curve. It cut at 2 points. Therefore, third graph is not a function. That is 1.18c not a function. Again, the line cuts the curve at 2 points. Now the last graph. This is the curve. This is a line. The line cuts at 1 point. Therefore, it represents a function. which line? Vertical line cuts the curve at one point. In the graph, first graph not a function because the line cuts the curve at 2 points. 1 point taking B, it represents a function. Why? The line cuts the curve at 1 point. 1.18 C, not a function. Again the line cuts the curve at 2 points. 1.18 D represents a function. Why? The line cuts the curve at 1 point. From the graph, we can easily say which one is a function, which one is not a function. Simple reason, if a line cuts the curve, vertical line cuts the curve at only 1 point, it represents a function. More than 1 point means it's not a function. This is the information for the example 1.10. I will upload remaining example exercise sum from the 1.4 in the upcoming video. You just subscribe my channel, share my channel to your friend and like my channel. Thank you.